Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So it is a very early start today. I'm not going out. I am going to sit down in my house today. I have been going out since Monday, Tuesday, so today is Wednesday. I am sitting at home. I'm not going anywhere. I need to cover a lot of grounds, do a lot of things at home, edit videos, do laundry, and just rest and let the kids rest as well. How are you all doing? I told the driver not to come as well because I learned yesterday that the guy or the man walks all the way from, because he stays at my parents' house, but when he comes here, he works. Sometimes he has to walk because the transport fare is outrageous, and I was like, let me just also seize the opportunity to sit down at home today and rest, and so that he also gets to, save some money, save some energy, and not have to come to work. So that is the plan. The kids are having their breakfast. The mister wants tea, so I'm going to make tea. I also want tea myself, so I'm going to make tea for us, and we're going to have my sister's meat pie. If you are in Abuja, you want the nicest meat pie ever, the flakiest, the nicest, the sweetest, tastiest meat pie ever, my mom has the best meat pie recipe I've ever had. Not Mr. Biggs, not Chicken Republic, not Tantalizer, or whatever meat pie I eat from other people that will ever taste as good as my mom's. And my sister have carried that recipe and modified it into something that is super amazing as well. So yesterday I had a taste of, because she never likes to make meat pie. She has always been intimidated by making of meat pie compared to other pastries. So I remember her reaching out to me like, oh, mommy's meat pie recipe, all those things, and we kind of rubbed minds together. And I told her that, well, I also elevated mommy's meat pie recipe to my own taste. So, and I told her that she could also do the same, because since hers is business, she wants to have a very unique taste. But even as unique as it is, I could still tell that, okay, the base of this recipe is our mom's recipe, and wallahi, it tastes so amazing. Not because it's my sister. Even the mister have testified that the first time he's had meat pie that he loved and enjoyed so much was the meat pie I made for him. And ever since it's been, you guys remember what happened now, the meat pie I made for Eid and how he finished it even before Eid. This one, I'm going to show you guys. I think I don't know if he's remaining up to 5 yet, because I bought its pack of 6 for 5,800, and she gave us 5 regular sizes, and she also has mini sizes. So she gave us 6 regular sizes that we ordered, and also 6 minis, so that's a total of 12. And I had one mini before I left my parents' house yesterday, because I went to pick it up. That is where she operates out from. And when I got home, I was too hungry. We did not eat. We came back home very late, so I ate one before dinner was ready. And even the one I was eating, the mister ate it. And Fatima too said they didn't keep lunch for her at my mom's house yesterday, so I told her to take one, and she ate one. But as it is right now, I saw the mister eating one before bed yesterday. So let's go to the kitchen and see what is left, because I feel like this man has eaten so much. He's requested for tea this morning, and I know when he's asking for tea, he's looking for tea and bread and tea and the meat pie. Because Susha was saying, so it comes in this pack like this. Cones and Love is the brand's name. And yeah, so he ate 3 big sizes. This is the big size. He ate 3 yesterday, and the mini is remaining just no, he ate 2, because Fatima said she ate 1 big one yesterday. So he ate 2 big ones, and I think about, let's say, 3 small ones. Yeah, so these are the minis. Perfect for if you are someone that posts a lot, then you can keep this. And this one is just, it is really nice. I'm going to warm it now. I froze it up yesterday in the box, and the good thing is that it comes in this box, so you can always just freeze it up like this. So I don't know if I'm going to want to have meat pie for breakfast. but if I'm going to warm for the mister, I might as well warm for myself. Fatima, I let cook. I don't plate them, and do my mama she meat pie them. Ba na miya ba. For them plate them, ba na miya ba. So I have warmed up the meat pie. I've made the mister's breakfast. This is it. The tea is mine though. I'll switch up the tea now. But this is the meat pie, and you see how soft, and it's really hot, like it's burning my hand right now, but you see how filled up the filling is, you know. Yeah. So patronize my sister, Scones and Lots, in Abuja, and she does other things, lots of meal accompaniments that people would love. Fatima, hey guys, update. I know this vlog looks like it's in the kitchen. We've been doing it. So my grandmom is around, and she came to surprise me with a visit. So I insisted that she stays the night. It's currently 12 or 1 p.m. I have egusi in the freezer, so I just brought it out to Tor. She's going to have oatmeal for lunch. Let me actually just warm it once and for all. My cousins are around, and I need to also make arrangements for lunch for them. And we are currently doing, Fatima is in my room, she's cleaning my room. We are currently doing laundry. This is the back of my house. We are currently doing laundry here. It's spinning. It's Zanza's clothes that is currently washing, and I am editing a video since morning, and I have not made progress. So I need to make progress before the light goes off. How is she feeling? She's sleeping? Oh, let her not fall down like that. So yeah, my little cousin was sleeping, so I told her older sister to take her upstairs to go lie her down in Kairia's room so she does not fall down. My chair space is not wide. That can, if they turn, you know kids how they turn, if they turn a little bit, they'll just fall down. I still have my tea here, but it's cold. The weather is cloudy. It feels like it's going to rain, but I think it's already drizzling massive because it's really dark inside. Like it's really dark, and just to cool off I do want to switch on the AC because of my little cousin. Let it not be too cold for her. So I had to get this soursop, and I've been using it to cool down my internals because it's hot. So I just use the fork, dig in. I love soursop. Anytime I'm around, I must make sure I fill myself up with it before we head back to the States. I have a whole lot of it in the fridge. Khairi, are you okay? Do you need something? Let me edit this video because it's also going up today. I've just been lazing around. I'm sure they're going to take the power soon, as soon as the rain gets heavy, because I think it's drizzling already. Let me do what I can do. I'm tired. For not doing anything, I'm tired. I mean, so long as you're not sick, if you want to be sleeping, be sleeping. So I want us to unbox this diffuser, the absolute best that my nose have agreed to since I tried it last year. It's called the Marche brand. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but I just ordered it today and it came in like less than 1 hour. I was really surprised. They were even calling me for delivery, but I wasn't picking, so they left it with the security guard. So this is my receipt. There are 2 different delivery zones now. Wow. I'm just seeing why the delivery zone is distant. So yeah, this is their card, and this is how it comes. I ordered the 180 ml sugar crystal. This one goes into my room, but the one I really want to put in the hallway for the entrance of my of the house is this one. This is ginger lemongrass. It is really nice. Last year when I came home, I ordered the sugar crystal, and my closet loves it so much. I really love it, Gaskia. If you're in Abuja, you can try them out. This is how it comes, and this is the sticks. These are the sticks rather. Oh, each of these is 18,000 naira. The 180 ml is 18,000 naira. So you just put it in, shake, move it around, then immediately bring it out before it soaks it, and flip it over and put it back in. So it's all set. This is going to go into the hallway. The reason why I chose this one is that it kind of purifies the air. I just don't like the smell I have there now, because I used to have the other diffuser that my mom got for me, but it's finished. So I feel like I need something else. So this is where it goes. This is the one my mom. Yeah, this one is finished. This is one my mom put in the house for me. It's going, and here comes this one. Just stays in the corner like this, and by tomorrow the whole of this place is going to be smelling like that. As I was still sitting down here, that was when I was ordering the diffuser. I just couldn't stand that corridor smell. I was used to smelling this all the time there, so this one is finished. I guess that's why I don't like the smell that is coming. It's not as if it's bad. It just smells like hospital. It smells like hospital. So there is still no light. We've not brought back power. So, and I need to start dinner. My grandma is around, so I need to make dinner early, and the mister is also very hungry. I'm going to be making couscous and shrimp couscous and sauce, chicken sauce. That is what we're going to be having for dinner. Is she okay? She want to potty? Okay. So I still haven't been able to upload one single video because today has just been somehow hectic, unplanned hecticness. So I'm going to sit down now and figure my internet. Please, if you're a YouTuber in Nigeria, what data plan do you use for your YouTube? Please don't tell me midnight. I don't want midnight, early in the morning things. Just tell me the data plan. I have MTN, but I need a data plan. I've already asked my cousin to help me figure out a data plan that I can use. I really need to get a proper data plan. My Google Fi is working, but the kids are also using it, so it's kind of slowing everything down for me. That is why I want something separate, and my battery is running low, so I think I'm going to be ending this vlog here while I go focus on uploading this video and also making dinner. I hope this is the sugar crystals. This is the one I use in my bedroom here and my bedroom in the US, my closet in the US. So I'm going to take this one now and open it up and give it to my cousin to go put in my room for me. So yeah, this is it for this video. I am tired, but I've not really eaten anything since morning except that soursop tea and the mini pie from my sister's this thing. So I'm really hungry. Let me just go focus on eating, uploading this video, and see you guys in my next video. It's been a day with me, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. There is nothing eventful or nothing really happened, but I just wanted to bring you guys along a casual day with me at home in Nigeria, doing nothing but doing everything at the same time. Subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.